Hi there, Wendy here from Draw So Cute. In this video we're going to draw the letters OMG, so let's get started. With this drawing we're going to first start by drawing the letter M. So I'm going to start right here and just draw the top. So with this little line right here I'm going to bring it down to start to draw the top of my M and go across. This is just a very basic M that I'm doing, capital M. So I'm just going to bring it down and then go right across and bring it up, come down and connect it. So I got a very basic capital M in. Now I'm going to draw the O right next to it. So I'm just going to come right here to make sure it's right next to it. I'm just going to start right here where the M is. And I'm just going to try to draw my O. Go all the way. And I'm making it shorter than the M because I want my M to be like the center. So I'm just going to bring it right back in. And then I'm going to come in here and draw another circle inside for my O. And so then now for the G. So once again, I'm going to go really close to my M, come out. And so I'm going to aim to make it the same as the O. So about, let's say right here, about that high. Bring down G. And I'm going to aim to make it so about right there. Bring out the G, so come in. So I'm going to come around here and then bring up this G, come down and connect it. So there, OMG, and then of course the exclamation mark. I'm going to slant it a little bit to give it some movement. So I'm going to also come right next to it. Slant it a little bit, connect it in the bottom part. So it's kind of just a square. So there, I got the basic OMG in letters, and so then from here we're going to give it some perspective. So being that this M is in the center, I'm going to have everything, all the angles converge into this center part right here. So let's start by bringing this angle in. So I'm just going to bring an angle in. So everything is basically going to follow that. Okay, so same thing over here. And we're going to make sure it's the same level and then bring this line up. And just like that, you have some dimension to your M. Pretty cool, right? Now to do the O. So once again, everything is at this slant coming in. So I'm going to come right here on the edge of this O. And just bring in this angle line once again, and then I'm going to curve it, matching this curve. Just bring it in, right in. And you might see a little bit here, so I'm just gonna color this all in. I'll make that black. Okay, now the G. So the G is going to aim this way, since this is our center once again. So let's see here. From here, I'm going to go at this edge right here. I'm going to go down, and once again I'm going to follow the G all the way around, and then right here I'm going to bring in an angle for our G, and now the exclamation mark. So once again everything's coming down this way, right here and right here. So we're going to aim it in, and so just imagine this. So I'm going to color it all in black, but I just want to show you what we're trying to do. And connect it and bring this up. Okay, so then from there you can basically just go in and shade this in all black. So I'm going to do that now. So there, as you can see now that it's all shaded in black, it really pops out your letters, really nice. So from there, let's go ahead and add some more pizzazz to this OMG. And we're gonna come up right here. I'm just gonna come to the center, say about this high. Doesn't really matter. And I'm gonna start to draw these curves to give it that blast. So let's say about that would be my center. So I'm just gonna go out and come out. So however you want it. And then I'm just going to bring this in and out. So I'm just going to go all the way around this, all these letters here, and then just come down. So say about right here, pop it back out and go around, up. So mine's pretty even, but if you wanted to go all crazy, you can too. So you don't have to follow exactly this exact starburst, but then that's connected. So we're gonna go into the O right here and pop it back out. So there. Now to make more emphasis, we can come in here and every here and there, we're gonna add these angle lines. So there, the letters OMG all drawn. Hope this inspires you to doodle away and add your own flair to these letters. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.